Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Enum. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Enum Introduction. Enum is list of constants. Syntax is access modifier, which can be public, private, protected, or package level. Enum keyword, followed by Enum type name, and list of constants within brackets. We can check whether Enum contains values or not using values method. We can get the name of constant using name method, and get ordinal or order number using ordinal method. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum comparison. I have created variables for Enum day called first working day and last working day and assigned values. We can compare the Enum variables using compare to method. If first variable is greater than second variable, method returns positive value. If first variable is less than second variable, method returns negative value. Else, method returns 0. Also, we can compare the Enum variable using ordinal method subtraction. We can check whether Enum variables are equal or not using equals method, or using equality operator. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum and switch statement. I have created getMessage method with parameter as variable d of Enum day. Created switch statement to display message based on value. In the main method, calling the getMessage method by passing variables of Enum day, that is first working day and last working day. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum in class. I have created Enum day. Inside class Enum demo, created Enum variables using class name dot Enum name variable name equal to class name dot Enum name dot Enum constant, and displaying the name and ordinal of Enum variables. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum and interface. I have created Enum day. Inside interface Enum demo, created Enum variables using interface name dot Enum name variable name equal to interface name dot Enum name dot Enum constant, and displaying the name and ordinal of Enum variables. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum implementing interface. I have created interface Enum demo with getValue method. Enum day implements interface Enum demo, and implements getValue method for Enum constant, Sunday, and Saturday, and default getValue method for other Enum constants. In the main method, I am calling the getValue method to get the value assigned to Enum constant. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum nesting. I have created Enum day. Inside Enum, Enum demo, created Enum variables using outer Enum name dot inner Enum name variable name equal to outer Enum name dot inner Enum name dot Enum constant, and displaying the name and ordinal of Enum variables. In the next program, I am going to cover Enum with custom value and method. I have created instance variable integer value for Enum day. Assigned custom values to Enum constant using private constructor. Created getValue method to return value assigned to Enum constant. In the main method, I am calling the getValue method to get the value assigned to enum constant. In the next program, I am going to cover associating body to enum constant. I have created body for enum constant Sunday and Saturday with getValue method, which returns 100. No body for Monday to Friday. And default getValue method, which returns 50. In the main method, I am calling the getValue method to get the value assigned to enum constant. In the next program, I am going to cover enum variable declaration with enum constant name or position. We can declare enum variable with enum constant name using value of method with enum constant name, and enum variable with enum constant position using values method with enum constant ordinal. In the next program, I am going to cover enumset. I have imported enumset from java.util package. I have created variable allDay of type enumsetDay with all constants from enumDay using enumset.allF method. Calling the display method by passing enumsetAllDay to display all the days. Created variable weekday of type enumsetDay with constants from Monday to Friday of enumDay using enumset.range method. Calling the display method by passing enumsetWeekday to display weekdays. Created variable weekend of type enumsetDay with constants other than weekdays from enumDay using enumset.complement of method. Calling the display method by passing enumsetWeekend to display weekends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.